Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you the Heattech warm tights. So that's how it looks like. So as you can see, it's a different kind of elastic, and if you go with a thermocore type, you won't see this kind of elastic. So this kind of elastic, I think, especially for tights only, but that is for man. So it might have mentioned it somewhere that it is for man. Yes, it's for man. I have ordered XL because I might gain some weight and I don't want anything to keep pushing my stomach really hard. So that is the quality of this, and as its name suggests, it's like a very slim fabric, and if you can see the specification, it's made in Bangladesh and it supports around 82 centimeter. So my waist is around 33 something, so I just go with the extra one, and I don't know why, but I think it will be loose for me, but let's see how it will go. So I will review in next part how warm it is. I think I have ordered extra warm, so that is for very cool winters. There is another version which is like normal warm, and another one is like I think ultra warm. So that cost you around 2000 rupees. It cost me around 1300 something, and normal warm costs around 990 rupees, I think. So that is their price range for this. So I will just uh, like wear it and tell you my experience. So you have watched my like a previous section where I was unboxing this tights. So this is from Uniqlo Heattech, and I have ordered extra warm. So there are three categories, which is normal warm, extra warm, and ultra warm. And first category cost you around 900 something, and this one cost me around 1400 something, and the like ultra warm will cost you 2000 something. So I have gone with the like 2000 no 1400 ones, so extra warm, and I thought that it will be really tight, so I have ordered the XL one, but I think I was like thinking a lot, but this is kind of actually loose, but it kind of serves the purpose because it will be inside my jeans, so I don't feel like something is there because it is so light. And regarding the quality of warm, is it's actually warm, so I'm able to like trim down one layer by using this, and I think when I wear it with jeans, it will keep me warm. For now I have been using it with my this lowers, which is also warm, but lower is lower, they are designed to have a ventilation and all, so because of that I need to wear this because I do a lots of stretching, so that is the reason why I want to use this. So my experience is it's warm, and it's like not that warm as they are claiming, like it will be keeping you heated all the time. So it's more like a thermocoat kind of thing, but with a slim kind of category, and fitting is very nice. And regarding the itching, which they are claiming it's bacteria free, I think it's most probably it's true, uh, because I have wear this for like 4 days. Only time I have changes when I was sleeping. I was not sleeping in this, and I don't want to. But other than that, like I have been wearing this for around 10 to 12 hours per day, for 4 days straight, and I don't feel that itchy like I used to feel in my thermocoats. So I think it's actually value for money, far better than the inner wear. Uh, So but again it's a different category, it's extra warm. The inner wear which I have ordered is normal warm, so maybe because of that. So there is a ultra warm category as well, but I think that will going to serve the purpose if you wants to wear it above the jeans. And it is not that warm, like if you are thinking like you will be just wearing that and you can do whatever you want to do, it will not going to do it, because they don't have like windproof thing. So you need to wear something which will protect you from wind, and it will also produce some heat so that it can retain it. So I think jeans is the perfect material for this, or maybe some terracotta pant, I think. But I think it's value for money, even with the 1400 rupees. So I'm happy with the purchase. And regarding the size, if you have 34 waist and they are showing like 33.5 something, you can still go with the large. I have ordered it like my waist is around 35.5 something, and I have ordered XL because they're showing that 36 onwards, and it is kind of loose. But I have ordered it because I might gain weight. I will try to do that. So with that in mind, I have ordered one extra size, and it is still usable. It's nothing like it won't be usable, because jeans will going to hold it. It will not going to fall. So I haven't stretched it while wearing this, but I think it will be fine, as far as you will be like uh, keep like mind that it will not going to tear it apart when you do kickings and all. So I think that is all for this video, and if you have any questions regarding this particular product, please comment below. I will answer them as soon as possible, and if this video of any help for you guys, please comment below, likes and subscribe, so that it will keep me motivating from creating more contents. So thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Bye.